Good morning on this beautiful, beautiful Saturday morning. It's fantastic, and as you can see, I've got my motorbike and my gloves ready, and as soon as I've done this and finished this little bit of editing here, I'm going to be heading out on my bike like a lot of you are, most likely. I just wanted to tell you about what happened on Thursday. I had a customer come and see me. I put a link down to his YouTube channel. He's got his own YouTube channel. If you might want to go over there and have a look, because he had a GoPro in my workshop sitting on the side doing a hyperlapse of the installation. So if you want to go over there, his name is Fen Tor, the YouTube channel. Take a look at his bike after the install. I didn't actually video the install myself. I just B-rolled it at the very, very end. So let me know what you think. If you want this bundle, I'll put links down below for that. It's an S4 bundle with additional D4's on Crashbar mounts. Right, I'm going to quickly finish this off and I'll be out on the road. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, guys, and stay behind bars. What was that? God's sake. I think that'll do it. I think that's wrap. Right. Do you know what? Let's just go. I did forget to mention, if you want to see this Power Hub 2 being installed, then stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to be installing this on my bike, and this is going to be a perfect additional extra on your bundle if you want to tidy up all the wires around your battery and have them all going into here. So it's a really fantastic product, and I've bought loads of them in so you can be installing them onto your bike as soon as possible, just to tidy up your battery. It's fantastic. So stay tuned.